Kung nag-iisip kayo kung saan pwede kumain sa Hong Kong na masarap, sulit at hindi matao or mahaba ang pila, panoorin nyo tong video na to. First recommendation, Oy Mansang located in Sam Shui po. Mostly locals lang ni nakikita kong kumakain and yung mga nasa menu nila ay good for sharing. So perfect kung barkada o pamilya kayong pupunta dito. The best for me yung stir-fried seafood and veggies nila. Kung malakas kayo kumain, pwede nyo ring orderin yung fried rice kasi panalo. And take note, kung hindi kayo into spicy food, wag nyo nang orderin or itry ito. This next resto serves really good roast goose, suckling pig, and char siu. Hua Sheng Shao Yi, located in Saiwan. We ordered yung set nila na good for 2 and to my surprise, hindi tinipid sa serving. Just by looking at it, alam mong masarap na siya. May kasama ng 2 cups of rice, 2 soups, and veggies yung set na in-order namin. The char siu was super soft at malasa, parang tocino. Tama lang yung timpla ng veggies, yung suckling pig, grabe sa pagka-crispy and malaman siya at hindi puro taba. Medyo maalat lang pero pag sinamahan mo ng kanin ay mababalance na. Yung roast goose super juicy and flavorful. May language barrier lang with the staff and they might sound rude pero umuo lang din kami sa sinasabi niya, so nakakain naman kami na maayos. Kung nakikrave ka naman na may sabaw, try nyo na tong Best 9 Beef Brisket in Yamatei area. Kung gusto nyo na discounted, may promo sila ng 2 to 6 p.m. nasa 10% off yung menu nila. I ordered yung beef brisket tendon and tripe with rice. Mabilis ang serving, 1 to 2 minutes lang na serve na at hindi tinipid sa laman. Yung sabaw nila sobrang malasa, perfect combo with the rice. May noodles din sila kung ayaw nyo ng kanin. Yung beef sobrang tender na parang nagme-meld sa bunganga mo, pati tendon and tripe. Super satisfying lalo kung gutom na gutom ka from strolling sa Hong Kong. Would have been better kung may refill yung sabaw kasi talagang sisimutin mo yung bowl. Except that hindi ko gusto yung gulay nito. But it's really worth the money. For something refreshing, tinry din namin yung more yogurt sa Hollywood Plaza. They have so many mixed fruit offerings. I tried the avocado yogurt drink and as expected, it was creamy and refreshing. It's not sour like a Greek yogurt. Medyo matamis na siya para sa akin, so I think magugustuhan nyo din yung lasa kasi tama lang yung timpla. I really can taste the avocado and it's perfect drink lalo na pag summer or mainit dito sa Hong Kong. May options din na with whey protein but that time when we ordered ay sold out na siya. But they have several branches here, so check nyo na lang yung pinakamalapit sa inyo. At syempre hindi kompleto ang Hong Kong food trip natin without eating the dim sum, so we went here sa Tak Fung Dim Sum located in Yamatei, katabi lang ng entrance ng station. Maliit lang siya na stall and take note walang dine-in, so kainin nyo na lang sa hotel room nyo or go somewhere like Avenue of Stars, dun kayo mag-picnic. Walang English menu, so struggle sa pag-order pero ituro-turo nyo lang yung gusto nyo and mabibigay naman yung order nyo. They have the best dim sum for me kasi malasa, hindi tinipid sa laman, and I heard na homemade and freshly made siya. Orderin nyo yung siomai, spinach dumpling, and hakaw, sobrang sarap. Yung pork buns, masarap sana kung hindi puro tinapay. Ito lahat yung mga kinainan namin, and if you're visiting Hong Kong soon, save mo na din ito or itag mo yung gusto mong isamang mag-food trip dito.